When you type one word or name like James, you can earn some cash. And the best part is that you can do this over and over again with different names. The earning potential is amazing. If you just type one page of names, you can make $15. Plus, we're going to share a bonus website with you that will allow you to earn 3 times more money than others. So let's get started. First, head over to talentdesire.com. You'll see a message that says, work with popular brands and earn money online from home without investing a dime. Not only is this money-making method completely free, but if you scroll down the page, you'll find several job opportunities, including online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging jobs, language translation jobs, online surveys, and more. But we're going to focus on online typing jobs. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online that doesn't require any tech skills or experience. On this website, you can earn up to $13,500 to $27,000 or more per year, and the best part is that registration is completely free. No hidden costs here, and you'll see that the rate you earn will depend on your level. But don't worry, we've got a bonus tip for you to help you earn a higher rate, even as a beginner. Make sure you stick around to find out how you can get paid at an expert level just by typing names online. This is a little known trick that we're excited to share with you. So now I'll reveal the bonus tip that will enable you to earn more money just by typing names online. So the website I'd like you to go to is ratatype.com. On the homepage, you'll see an option to take a free typing test. I recommend doing this because Ratatype will give you a free certificate that shows the speed and accuracy of your typing. This is a great opportunity to increase your income and rates per page. But that's not all. You can actually submit this certificate to Talent Desire, and by submitting this certificate, you'll get a chance to make even more money and have access to more job opportunities. That's right, you could earn up to $300 or even $400 per day just by typing names online. And the best part is that this is a hack that even beginners can use to get ahead. It's important to watch this video all the way through to learn how to get your free certificate from ratatype.com and complete your application on talentdesire.com. The accuracy required should be between 98 and 99%, and the higher your accuracy, the more you can earn. To get started, take the typing test on ratatype.com. It will show you your speed and accuracy, which you can then submit to talentdesire.com to get accepted. So here you can see that I got 66 words per minute and 98.8% accuracy. If your accuracy or speed is lower than 98%, don't worry. You can take the test again and again for free. Plus, ratatype.com offers other resources to help you improve your typing skills. Once you have the results you want, go ahead and sign up for an account by clicking here. After you create an account, scroll down to see your best performing results on your certificate. It will say awarded to your name for typing in English with a speed of X words per minute and an accuracy of X%. At the bottom, you'll find a signature from ratatype.com to verify the certificate's validity. So next, I want to show you how to sign up, register, and apply for a typing job on talentdesire.com, where you will then be able to start receiving typing jobs. First, click on the print button to download your certificate to your computer or phone. Don't worry, you don't actually have to print anything out. Once you have your certificate, scroll down to the bottom of the website and click Apply Now. Pay close attention here because the registration process can be a little tricky. You'll see step 1, which is to click on Select an application form and then choose Online Application Form. On the next page, you'll see an option that says Online Application Form for Work-at-Home Jobs. Scroll down and click the red link that says fill in your details to apply and work with us. This will take you to a page where you can enter your personal information. If you have any trouble finding this link, just go back and watch this part of the video again for more guidance. But the first thing that's required of you is to check this box to accept the privacy policy. The next step is to fill out your professional information. Make sure to do this carefully as it's crucial for securing job opportunities. In the preferred job title box, type in Professional Data Entry Specialist. Next, choose the best time for you to work. You can select any time you'd like, but we recommend choosing all day so that you have more job opportunities and can make more money. After that, choose your preferred way to receive earnings. We recommend using PayPal. Then select your current professional status. We'll select self-employed. Once you've filled out all of your details, check the box saying yes, I've read and accept the above statement. Then type your name in the signature box, check the I'm not a robot box, and click submit. Make sure to keep submitting applications so you can get more and more jobs and increase your earnings. So this is definitely a solid way for you to earn some extra income on the side, but nothing that can allow you to quit your job and even have life-changing money. So if you'd like to really know how to create your own online business as a beginner, Click the link in the description below for my best recommendation. I've seen so many beginners use this method and earn thousands in a matter of months and even weeks. It's truly astonishing. So be sure to check that out if you're at all interested. So that's it for today's video. I hope you start this online job and start earning some income for yourself. And now I suggest that you watch this video here to learn about 4 side hustles that no one is talking about. These have very little competition and are perfect for anyone to get started with.